All right, I just received this. This is a ChatMaster Cube. It's kind of like Alexa. As a matter of fact, you can hook it up to Amazon Alexa. It goes by Alexa or Sonny when you're talking to it. If you want to do the ChatGPT, you do Sonny. If you want to do Alexa, you say Alexa. So let's open it up and see what's in it. All right, first of all, you've got your instructions. Bam, you got your cube, right? So here it is. It's got a mute button. It's got, I think, an on button. I think that's the volume up, volume down, I would imagine. Under here, you do have a USB-C port. This has to be plugged into a power source. They recommend not plugging it into your computer, but plugging it into a block, a good block. So you need that. All right, what else is in here? A USB-A to C. All right, so this has USB-C port here, right there. So you got to plug that in there. And that's basically it. That's what comes in the box, really. These three things is what you get in the box. You follow me? That's it. So you're going to need to read this. We're going to look at that in a second. All right, so this is the ChatMaster Cube, right? And the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to go in and you're going to download this app right here, okay? So this is called ChatMaster Speaker app, all right? And you know, you're going to have to go through all the account registration junk. And then what you're going to be doing is, so they'll give you the configuration, which I just talked about. The action button is that one that I wasn't, you know, it's a little unclear on. But then you have to add the device to the app, which, you know, it's pretty simple, right? Then they want you to set up your Wi-Fi to give your network and your password so that this can connect to it. Well, that makes me a little worried, but I guess, you know, we'll do it. Once you've successfully added the device, you got to go through jump through some hoops there. And then you got to do your login for your Amazon if you're going to connect Amazon to this, right? I might just leave it on ChatGPT. So when you're talking to Alexa, you go Alexa. But when you talk to this thing here, you're going to call it Sonny. Sonny, yesterday, that, so you remember it. And then basically here's some configuration stuff. So that's what comes in the box. You're going to have to do all the same junk that you have to do. Now, if you're worried about, you know, stealing all your data, then you might not want this thing. You know what I mean, jelly beans? So it's up to you what you want to do. But we're going to go ahead and do it. We're going to set it up. I'm going to show you how to do it in the next video. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos.